Basically what we're going to do over the next few videos is I am going to go over the different sections here under Create Campaign. Some of them are very, very straightforward, very simple. Others are going to require a little bit of explanation. Okay. First off, we have, let's go ahead and just scroll down here. And at the top, we have the campaign name. This is just something for you to enter in so that you can remember what is this campaign all about. So let's call this Daily YouTube Video Post. Okay, so every day I'm going to post a video automatically. Now, over here, where it says Post to Blog, this is very, very important that you understand this. What we're selecting is the remote blog that is going to be posted to. Okay, so if we click the drop down, you'll notice that I have two blogs entered in there. These are the two that I configured in the Destination Blogs section over here. The more that you have in there, they're all going to show up here. So let's go to Cool Guitar Lessons and Tips, and that is the blog that this is actually going to get posted to. For my content source, I'm going to click the drop down, and I'm going to do YouTube. And then what I have to do is select what keywords are going to trigger, how's it going to find the YouTube videos that I want it to post. So I'm going to put like guitar tutorial and then hit enter. You want to go to a new line, guitar how to, hit enter, guitar training. And we'll just go with that. And the number of posts to retrieve on update, I am going to recommend to you that you just do one here's the update thing, every 24 hours. Why is that? Well, because what we're doing is we are automatically going out there and grabbing content and posting it to our blog. If we do too many of these, then the blog service is going to detect and be suspicious that we're posting automatically, and a lot of them don't like that. So that'll kind of throw up a trigger, and they might suspend your account. So we don't want to do that. We want to just do one every 24 hours. Now, you don't actually need to do much more than that. Don't think that you got to go in there and create 10 blog posts every hour and that's how you're going to build your links. No, you want it to be much more natural and organic. There's no way, that as a human being you're going to post 10 YouTube videos within the same, 15 seconds to another blog, and they know that. That's why they're going to say, hey, this is an automatic computer-generated posting, and we don't like that. You're suspended. So don't do that. Just one every 24 hours. Now, unique content. This is something that we're going to look at a little bit later in the next campaign that we do, but I will just tell you that what it involves is rewriting articles. We don't need to worry about it with the YouTube thing. Okay, so we'll leave that. Now, post to categories. It's very important that you understand that the categories listed here are pulled directly from whatever blog post you have selected up here, or blog that you have selected here. So if I click Add New Category and I do Video Lessons and I say Add New Category, that Video Lessons actually gets added to the Cool Guitar Lessons and Tips.blog.com. If I switch over to the other blog here, you'll see that that disappears. Okay? So let's make sure we select that, Video Lessons. Right here for links to promote. Now here is the part, folks, that gets you the traffic. This is the link building part. What you can do here is you have a link list heading, which this will be like, something that you want to show up. More guitar videos. At the end of the post, you're going to see the link list heading, and then you're going to see these links. what's very important is that you have done your keyword research and you have found keywords that you're trying to target on your blog. So let's say, for example, that we create a blog post that is all about guitar chords, and because we have found out that people search for guitar chords. So we go out there, we write an article on our blog called Guitar Chords. And then here on this campaign, we're going to use guitar chords as our anchor text. This is going to be the text that's highlighted. That's called anchor text. And here, we're going to put the blog that we're sending them to. Now, I'm just using this as an example. All right, let's copy that, and I'm going to paste it here. These lines match up. So in other words, whatever text is here on this line, that's the link that's going to match up with it, because you can do more. Guitar lessons. Now, let's say that I found an affiliate product for, a guitar training thing. I could put the link right here. I could put the direct affiliate link. Maybe I have a ClickBank ID, the vendor, whatever your ClickBank affiliate link is, you pop it in there and it'll work. So you don't have to build links just to your site. You can actually go ahead and put affiliate links in there, and that's totally cool and very powerful. Okay? So that's the links to promote. Again, they match up. Number 1 here is going to point to number 1 here. Number 2 here going to point to number 2 here. However you want to do that. For the text replacements, this is something that you're going to want to be careful with, okay? But if you want to try to, make something look different, or you want to update, maybe there's a website in the article and you want to get that updated automatically, the way that it works is whatever is over here on the left in original will be replaced with whatever is here on the right. So if, let's say the word and, I could do also there, okay? The thing is with this, you got to be careful because it doesn't always make sense. That's why we have this test URL thing here. If you find an article that you want to test, you would post the URL in here, paste it in there, and click test, and it'll show you this is what the article would look like if we do this replacement thing. What you got to be careful with, though, is see where it says and here? That's also going to get triggered for the word band because A and D is in it. So if you want a word just like that, that can get used inside of other words, then you have to put a space before it and a space after to make sure that it just grabs and. Okay, but everything in the article, and that's a little bit more important for the article stuff that we'll be looking at later on. And then your post status. You want to get that, either published immediately or just save it as a draft for you to approve manually. Any authors that you have here will be available in the drop-down box. And I almost forgot post tags. Got to put that in there. Something that's going to help people find these videos. So I could just do guitar videos and add those. And that goes to the blog itself, so it helps people find it based on searches. Let's go ahead and save the campaign. And that's it. Campaign saved. We're going to click over here on campaigns. And I'm going to show you what this software does. Okay, let's go to It's Cool Guitar Lessons and Tips. I'm going to right click and copy that. Let's go over here and I'll right click and paste. Here's where it is. There is nothing there, right? So let's go to our campaign. What I'm going to do is force it to run right now. So I'll click Post Now. We are going to be able to set some things up to automatically do this on given intervals. Okay, but we're not going to we're going to get to that later. Now let's go back to the same blog that just moments ago had nothing. Let's refresh it. Now you can see we have a post. Okay, now this, oh, it's because it's got a rock band in there and it's related. Okay. It's not a guitar video, but that's okay. We will get plenty of those as well. That's the one thing about the keyword stuff. If the keyword is in their description, then it's gonna trigger it and it'll come up. But notice this, guitar chords. Look in the lower left-hand corner of the screen there, points back to our blog with excellent anchor text, keywords that we have found to be very profitable. And then this could be, I just put in a sample affiliate link. Same kind of thing though, they can click on that and bam, they go directly to that affiliate offer. Now let's go ahead in the next video and I will go over some of the other options in the Create a Campaign page.